Can you hear that? It's the Toi Time trumpets! Whoa! Hoake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time!
Oh, shh! Did you see one?
Oh, yeah. Did you?
Nope. Ah, kia ora. We're looking for dinosaurs. Ko Jojo aho, and I'd like to see a titanosaur. Titanosaurs were the biggest dinosaurs ever. They had long necks and long tails, and they walked on 4 legs.
Koriki aho, and I'd like to see a Tyrannosaurus Rex. They were really heavy, like a bus, and they walked on 2 legs, like us.
You make a fearsome T-Rex, Ricky.
Oh, thanks. I've been practicing all morning.
What was that? I said... It sounds like a Myosaurus.
Kia ora, ko Maya aho, and I am a microraptor. They were tiny and they could glide from tree to tree like a bird.
I'd like to see a real Microraptor. Hey, Mohio,
Kia ora te whānau. How can I help?
where can we find some real dinosaurs?
You can't see any real live dinosaurs, Ricky, because the last dinosaur died millions of years ago. That means they are extinct. There are no more dinosaurs alive anywhere in the world.
Oh, that's sad. No, don't worry, Maya. We can have lots of fun pretending to be dinosaurs instead.
Great idea, Jojo. Hoake tātou.
We're going back in time to meet the dinosaurs. 100 million years ago, or maybe more. We're going back in time to meet the dinosaurs. So tell me what you see. Is that a triceratops I see? It eats plants with its bird-like beak. 1, 2, 3 horns upon its face. Let's move the triceratops way. Put your horns up high, stretch your legs out wide. Let's all stomp around, make a great big sound. Roar! Is Triceratops your favorite dinosaur? Oh, look, it's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Is that the dino I like best? Great big teeth and tiny little arms. Let's all do the T-Rex dance. Pull your arms in tight, stretch your legs out wide. Let's all stomp around, make a great big sound. Roar! Is Tyrannosaurus Rex your favorite dinosaur? A brontosaurus I can spy. Its neck is stretching to the sky. It can reach the highest treetop leaf. Dance like a brontosaurus with me. Stretch your neck up high, stretch your legs out wide. Let's all stomp around, make a great big sound. Roar! Is Brontosaurus your favorite dinosaur? We went back in time and met the dinosaurs 100 million years ago, or maybe more. We went back in time and met the dinosaurs and learned so many things.
What time is it on?
Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
These hats are amazing, Ricky. I feel like a real dinosaur.
Me too. Hey, do you know that some dinosaurs walked on their toes?
Oh, like a ballet dancer.
Like a bell. Welcome, everybody, to the first ever Toy Time Dinosaur Ballet. Thank you. You ready, Maya?
Yes.
Here we go.
No. We just have a small problem.
Yes, Maya?
I've never done dinosaur ballet before.
Don't worry. It's always fun to learn something new. I'll show you what to do. So, feet in fifth position. Brings our arms like a dinosaur.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
Here we go.
Tondu, lower. Tondu, close. Tondu, lower. Tondu, close. And releve. And around we go.
Whoa! I did it.
And again. Tondu,
Tondu,
lower.
lower.
Tondu,
Tondu, close. Tondu, lower. Tondu, close. Tondu, lower. Tondu, close. Tondu, lower. Tondu, close. Tondu, lower. Tondu,
Slow
close.
down, Maya.
Woo! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Come on, Maya.
Oh, thanks.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're off to find some dinosaurs. Oh, I'm scared. Hoake tātou. Oh, you little goody. Hey, e tohu. Dangerous raptor. Help! Whoa! It's ginormous! I wonder if I can lift it up. Lift it up! Don't give up. Make sure you try your best. It's way too huge. Come on! Whoa, check out how big these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gumboots. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, kia ora e te whānau. Jeez, you're all looking fantastic, fantastic. Oh, couple of big boys. Oh, hey, excuse me. What did you have for breakfast? Check it out, on my pterodactyl egg. Check it out, my cousins. It's a crocodile. It's been so amazing finding all the dinosaurs today. I'll see you next time. Ka kite anō.
Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. Look at all the trees, the rocks and shrubs, brown and orange and green. Then down low you might see some grubs. Such great sights waiting to be seen. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. If we need a shelter, we could build a hut. Gather some sticks and leaves. Pick up pine needles to cover it up. We can stay inside as long as we please. Roll tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Can you hear that trickling sound? We might find a river or creek. Whited air, waterfall up high, splashing everything that's around the stream. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a peacock, stand up tall like a Cody tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta, there's so much for us to see.
Come back here, little dinosaur, so I can munch you for my lunch. No, we don't.
Knock.
Who's there?
Ida.
Ida who?
Ida, run faster for dinosaurs chasing me.
Ida run fast too, Buzz the Cuz. What have you got there?
The rings for Takaro time. I'm gonna catch me a triceratops in the garden. Wanna come?
Is it Nanotyrannus a carnivore?
What's a carnivore?
Oh, it's an animal that eats meat, like this T-Rex here.
Then yes, a Nanotyrannus is a carnivore.
And yes, I want to play.
Oh, race you like a dinosaur? Oh, Jojo, you're fast.
That's because I'm a Nanotyrannus, the fastest dinosaur that ever lived to run a dinosaur race.
Awesome. Hey, what do you call a dinosaur playing hide and go seek?
What?
Do you think he saw us?
Is that what we're going to play? Hide and seek?
No. Today we're playing Triceratops. Oh, okay. So this is how the game goes. You stand over here, okay, and then you toss these rings at the Triceratops horns, okay? And whoever gets the most rings onto the Triceratops horns at the end wins. Got it?
Got it.
It's Takaro time. Okay.
You first, Buzz.
Oh, almost. It was close. Oh, come on. Hey, Jojo, do you know why they call it a Triceratops?
Why?
Because a Triceratops has 3 horns on its face. See? Tai, rua, toru, 3 horns. And tri means 3.
Nice,
Okay.
Buzz.
Here we go. One more chance. I got it! Your turn now, Jojo.
Well, how do you feel about your performance today, Buzz?
You know, kaore te kumare kōrero mō tōna ke reka, but hey, I've been training hard, so I think it's paying off. Your turn, Jojo.
All right, Buzz.
Okay, go, Jojo, I believe in you. Ooh. Oh, that was close. A bit more rest. Oh, almost, Jojo.
Thanks, Buzz. Thanks for bringing your toys to play with us today.
Oh, you're welcome, Jojo. Hey, I always have fun playing with you. What's even faster than a Nanotyrannus?
What?
A Buzzosaurus! See ya!
Oh.
Hey, kia ora paleo peeps. I'm Auntie Onika and I'm here today digging for dinosaur fossils. Just jokes. Now, a fossil is the remains of an animal or plant that lived 10,000 or more years ago. That's older than the koro of my koro and his koro and even the koro of his koro. Hooey. Now, you can look for fossils too. All you need is somewhere to dig and something to dig with. Look. Hey, what do you call a fossil that just lies there and waits to be found? A lazy bones. Oh, wait, we're in luck. This is what I think it is. Just as I thought. My expert opinion is that this fossil is from a whatchamacallitsaurus. They were very rare dinosaurs only found in Aotearoa, Titiro. Now, I'm going to carefully remove the rest of the dirt so as not to damage this precious piece of dinosaur history. My jandal! After further examination, my new expert opinion is that this fossil came from a very, very clever, beautiful and amazing dinosaur called the Auntie Ankylosaurus. Thank you. Wondered where that got to. Now, don't worry if you don't find a real fossil straight away. The best fossil hunters never give up. Kia ū, kia manawanui, kia manawaroa. Keep going. Go on.
Dinosaur!
Wolfie, you scared me.
Oh, whoopsie. I was just being silly.
It's not nice to give people a fright like that, Wolfie. I was relaxed and reading my book, and now my heart is racing, and I feel all jittery.
Oh, I'm sorry, Oma. Are you okay?
I'm much better, thank you. Hey, would you like to read with me?
I've actually got lots of energy, so I think I'll keep Dinosaur Roaring over there.
Oh, that's a good idea, Wolfie. Okay, well, I'll come and play after I've finished reading.
Oh, okay, Oma. Bye. Dinosaur roar! Roar!
In the days of old, on the land they roamed, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Big and small, scary and tall, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Ainosaurus, Morus, Forus, Norus, Boris, and a Tuatara too. In the days of old, on the land they roamed, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Big and small, scary and tall, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Ainosaurus, and a Tuatara too.
In the sandpit. Reading up dinosaurs. Reading up bones. There's lots of bones. This is the T-Rex. I need this. The T-Rex got sharp teeth. Like us. They play together. We found some dinosaurs some food. Dad. We take them for a ride. We are dinosaurs. Bye.
Hurrah! Kia ora. I love being in the garden listening to the birds. Oh, titiro, he manu tui. And that one's a pī waka waka. How beautiful. Hey, I wonder if dinosaurs had beautiful singing voices like manu. Kia ora mōhio.
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help you today?
What did the dinosaurs sound like when they were alive? Could they sing like a bird?
No one knows what dinosaurs sounded like because people weren't around yet. We can only guess. They may have roared, growled, or tweeted, or made no sound at all.
Oh, thanks, Mōhio. It's sad that we don't get to see or hear dinosaurs anymore, but I'm very grateful to still have our manu. We're going on a weta hunt.
And we're gonna catch a big one.
Will you come too? Hoa ke tātou.
We're going on a weta hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look! It's some long grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We got to go through it. Swish, 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 swish.
We're going on a weta hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, it's Manuka scrub.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash, swish. We're going on a weta hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, a deep, dark cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go through it. We've got to go in it. Step, 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 step. Uh-oh. It's dark in here. I feel something. It's on my leg. It's on my back. It's a weta!
Hurry back through the Cody trees. Oma, oma, oma. Back through the Manuka scrub. Swish, swash, swish, swash.
Back through the long grass. Swish, 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 swish. Oh, whew. Back home safely. Phew, that was close.
Welcome to What's in the Box. The dinosaur edition. Are you ready to play, Tama?
Well, that depends, Jojo. Is there a dinosaur in the box?
Oh, I wish. How cool would that be?
Well, not very cool, actually. I like my hands where they are, at the end of my arm and not in a dinosaur's mouth.
Tama, you do know that dinosaurs are extinct, right?
Yeah. What exactly does extinct mean again?
Oh, it means there are no dinosaurs alive anywhere in the world.
Oh.
So there is definitely no dinosaur inside this box.
Okay, then I'm ready to play. Ooh. Ooh, it's small, hard, long with a sharp, pointy end. Hiniho? Is it a tooth?
Yes!
Whoa!
What do you think it belonged to?
A dinosaur?
Good guess, but no.
Oh.
It belonged to a Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are the world's biggest lizards, and although they look a bit like dinosaurs, they're not dinosaurs.
Whoa.
They live in the Indonesian islands.
Whoa! Hey, Jojo, did you know that the biggest dinosaur tooth ever found was from a T-Rex? Guess how big it was?
How big?
30 centimetres. That's like bigger than my head.
Imagine the size of the toothbrush.
Oh, bigger than Maya's broom?
Probably.
Hi, these are my favorite dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs. There are so many different kinds. I love dinosaurs because they are so big. This is a Stegosaurus. The Brachiosaurus is like a big slide. I balance dinosaurs to the Brachiosaurus head. Roar! This is Dinosaurs. Bye!
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about glowworms. One evening, armed with flashlights and excitement, the Singh family ventured into the entrance of the Waitomo Caves. A friendly guide welcomed them. "We're going to see something extraordinary tonight," the guide said. Together, they all went deep into the caves, guided only by the soft glow of their flashlights. The air was cool, and the drips of water echoed all around them. Suddenly, the guide instructed everyone to switch off their flashlights. Darkness enveloped them. "This is a little scary," said Arya. "Don't worry, sweetie. We're all safe together," Mum said, holding her hand. Then, suddenly, tiny lights began to twinkle above. It was the glowworms. Arya and Rohan gasped in wonder as the glowworms lit up the darkness with their magical glow. The Singh family huddled together, soaking in the beauty of the glowworms. Time seemed to stand still as they admired the glowworms that were like a sky of living stars. What a great story. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soi whā.